What's up, y'all? We are lowering our B2600 here, and we got to pull off this shackle here and use this on the new leaf springs, but we're kind of stuck in the bushing, so we're going to try a trick. I'll show you what we got going. Our bushing, there's a sleeve in here, and that's seized or rusted onto the old shackle here, and I'm trying to get it out. Won't let go. So since this bushing is already hooped, I'm going to try a trick with the drill bit. I'm going to drill down, and then I'm going to see if I can kind of go all the way around that bushing to loosen it up. And then we can remove that shackle from the eyelet and then just piss around with it once it's loose in the vise. So let's see if it works. Oh, shit, broke the drill bit. Oh. It's coming. There we go. That wasn't too awful bad.